Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Research Computing Center's High Performance Computing Driver Set course. Okay, so this video is actually going to be the overview of the course. So we're going to go over what are we going to cover, what do you have to do to gain our certification at the end of the course, and what is supposed to be the intended goal of this certification. Okay. So this is our main website, right? It's called HPC Drivers Ed. And then we have multiple modules here that will allow you to learn about what we do and what we can do for you in your research. Okay. So HPC stands for High Performance Computing, right? And we provide resources for researchers across campus. Okay. So in this course, we hope to provide a couple things. First of all, we hope to provide a structure, right, of 7 modules that will take you from not knowing what high performance computing is to how to log in into our systems, how to use them, and then there's 3 software-specific modules for Python, MATLAB, and R, which are our biggest users, but it doesn't mean they're our only users, right? If you use other systems, it will be important that you get to know how to log in into our system, how to ask for more accounts, how to contact us for any troubleshooting, and also common problems that will happen in your progress in high performance computing, okay? Which is the module 7 troubleshooting. Okay, so this page has the about section that will cover here the goals, the structure, and the additional resources. Now, if you click on docs, it will take you to our official documentation page, okay? Then we have the course modules page, and here's where you'll be spending most of your time. Okay, lectures and quizzes. It's structured so you can go through this sequentially. There's going to be 7 modules, and you can see there 8 if you include the final certification module. Each module has the lessons titled. You can see it there with the title. That title will link to the video of that specific lesson. So will the video link, and then the docs link will link to the docs page. Well, I will show you in a minute how that looks. The first one is Intro to HPC, so this assumes you know nothing about high performance computing and we're trying to onboard you into the system. Track 1 is how to log in using a terminal. Track 2 is how to use our open on demand system, which is just a graphical user interface, right? So you don't have to have used the terminal or know how to use Linux to come to high performance computing and use it for your own research. Okay, and I want to make that so clear. That is the purpose of us reaching out and having this course ready to go. Now, the next set of 3 modules is our software specific modules. So we have the Python one, the MATLAB one, and the R one. These go specifically into our implementations here at Florida State. These may not be transferable for other institutions, high performance computing, but we will cover particularly those lessons called MATLAB in parallel and R in parallel. We'll cover general implementations of both of these in talking about parallel programming, right? So these will be transferable to other institutions in the case that you need to use it with other systems or on your own machines. And then the last one is going to be troubleshooting, right? So these are going to be common issues that we've seen through years of tickets, right? And suggestions from our users that we have incorporated into our system, and we bring them here in our common issues and explaining what is scratch space for additional data usage. At the end, you will have a quiz, and if you pass this quiz with 80% or more, you will get a certificate that says certified HPC user, right? Provided by us, the Research Computing Center, that you can use for yourself. And that way we know that you have taken this course and we know where your knowledge should be when we're addressing your tickets that come in or when you are just finding stuff. Okay. Now, the third part of the website is what we call the docs. Okay, these are not our official docs. These are just our way to collect multiple links that we have found useful in not just making these instruction videos, but also for our own research uses for all of these softwares. Okay, so let's take a look at what the Intro to HPC page looks like. Here we see there's a page for each one of the lessons, right? And then if we click, for example, on that first lesson, we will get the links that we have found useful for this. So let's say, for example, I open up the RCC FAQ. You're going to get the frequently asked questions from Central ITS for high performance computing. So how do I troubleshoot? How do I connect? Etc. Etc. Now, if a lot of this looks foreign, just wait a minute. We'll cover all this through the course. Don't worry. Then we have how to request an account. If you click here, it will take you to our request account process, right? And then accounts overview will explain to you what are user accounts and what do you need to get one. Okay, if you're a faculty, if you're a student, how does this work? Okay, right? So now that you know this is how HPC driver set works, and there are specific pages underneath each of these 7 modules that you can look at, and then go into these reference documentation pages. So just so everything is coalesced in a single page, right? Then lastly, the last part of this is our instructors, right? So there's a team of 3 instructors here. Myself, I've been working with the high performance computing team for about a year and a half now. We have our software team manager, Marcelina Nagales, and then our other software application specialist, Alex Townsend, Dr. Alex Townsend. Okay. So that is the overview of our course. And I hope that you enjoy it from now in the beginning and that at the end you're able to use our HPC system well. See you on the next video.